The last thing you want to do in a room is paint the wood trim around the doors, the baseboards, and the crown molding if you have it. And it's exceptionally important to tape off the edges of this. And a lot of times when you're using trim paint, especially if it's oil-based paint, it has a tendency to seep even under the tape, no matter how well you tape and how well you press it against the edge. So I have a little trick to take care of that seepage, and that is to apply a very thin layer, a very thin bead of caulk along the edge. It doesn't have to be much at all because you're basically going to wipe it off. Once you've done that all the way across, you just use a wet finger, nothing beats a little spit, to take off the caulk. But you've still left a very fine membrane in place, which is going to prevent the paint from seeping behind the tape. And after that, it's really just very straightforward. Things like a doorstop are a lot easier to just remove than they are to tape around. The thing you want to do with trim paint is just to put on a light coat and don't overwork it. There are flattening agents in the paint which are going to cause it to flatten out. A lot of times people will continue working the paint with the brush thinking, well, I need to get rid of these brush strokes, but all they're doing is thickening the paint the more you work it. So what you want to do is just use a couple of strokes to apply it and then just leave it. It'll flatten out and you'll end up with a really nice job.